Welcome to AI Controller. 2026 is the year that changed everything. AI is no longer the future, it is right now, all around you. From the way you work, to the way you learn, to the way diseases get cured, AI is rewriting every rule. This is not hype. This is not a prediction. This is what is actually happening on the ground right now in 2026. Welcome to AI Controller. Today we cover everything happening in AI in 2026, the biggest year in tech history. Let us get into it, starting with the single biggest story of the year. The AI model race in 2026 has been absolutely relentless. New releases, new records, every single month. OpenAI released GPT-5 operating at PhD-level reasoning across science, law, medicine, and engineering. Google answered with Gemini Ultra 2 processing text, images, video, and audio all at the same time. Anthropic's Claude pushed reasoning boundaries, further solving problems that stumped every previous AI system. And Meta released Llama 4 completely open source, putting frontier AI in the hands of every developer on Earth. China's DeepSeek continued to shock the world, matching Western models at a fraction of the compute cost. In total, over 300 new AI models were released in the first half of 2026 alone. 300 models. The gap between the best AI and average human performance closed dramatically in almost every benchmark. What used to take a team of specialists weeks to produce a single AI agent can now complete in under an hour. The model wars are far from over. Every lab is promising even bigger releases before the end of 2026. Now let us talk about what everyone wants to know: what is AI doing to jobs in 2026? The junior software engineer job market has already collapsed. AI writes better code faster than any new graduate. Content writing, basic design, data entry, customer support, all being automated at massive scale right now. But here is the other side of the story: AI is also creating entirely new jobs that did not exist 2 years ago. AI prompt engineers, AI trainers, AI safety researchers, and AI product managers are in enormous demand. The people who know how to direct and manage AI systems are earning more than ever before in their careers. Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei warned that 50% of white-collar jobs face disruption within 5 years. The advice from every AI expert is the same: learn to work with AI, not against it. Adapt now while you still can. The workers thriving most in 2026 are those using AI to multiply their output, doing the work of 10 people alone. The message is clear: AI will not replace you. But a person who uses AI will replace a person who does not. Beyond jobs, 2026 has delivered some of the most jaw-dropping scientific and technological breakthroughs in history. AI discovered 3 new antibiotic compounds that kill drug-resistant bacteria, a problem doctors have fought for decades. Google DeepMind's AlphaFold 3 solved protein structures for over 100 million biological molecules, rewriting biology. AI systems are now autonomously running scientific experiments overnight, delivering results that took humans years. In climate science, AI optimized global wind farm placement, increasing clean energy output by 20% instantly. Humanoid robots powered by AI are now working real shifts in warehouses, factories, and even hospitals. Tesla Optimus, Figure AI, and Boston Dynamics have all deployed commercial humanoid robots at scale this year. AI agents can now browse the internet, book meetings, write reports, and manage entire workflows without any human input. In education, AI tutors are now outperforming human teachers in measurable learning outcomes for STEM subjects. 2026 is not just a year of incremental progress. It is a year where AI crossed thresholds nobody expected this soon. So where is all of this heading? What should you expect from AI in the second half of 2026 and beyond? Sam Altman of OpenAI says they are confident they know how to build AGI, and the timeline is now, not someday. Elon Musk predicts AGI arrives by the end of this year. If he is right, 2026 becomes the most historic year ever. AI voice and video generation has become indistinguishable from reality, raising urgent questions about trust. Governments worldwide are scrambling to write AI regulation, but the technology is moving faster than any law can follow. The AI investment boom shows zero signs of slowing. Over $500 billion will flow into AI in 2026 alone. Every major industry on Earth, healthcare, finance, education, energy, defense, is being rebuilt around AI. The companies that embrace AI fully right now will dominate their industries for the next 20 years. And the individuals who build AI skills today will have career advantages that compound for their entire lifetime. The window to get ahead of this wave is still open, but it is closing faster than most people realize. That is your complete breakdown of AI in 2026, the models, the jobs, the breakthroughs, and what is coming next. If this video gave you value, smash that like button. It genuinely helps more people find this channel. Subscribe to AI Controller for weekly AI news, robotics updates, and everything happening in artificial intelligence. Comment below what AI development in 2026 surprised you the most. I read every single comment. Stay curious. Stay informed. I will see you in the next one.